This is a video for a post-cat Lambda sensor, oxygen sensor, a how-to. First of all, you'll need goggles, gloves, a 22mm spanner or a Lambda sensor removal tool, which is obviously also 22mm, a 10mm socket, and obviously the sensor itself. Okay, so you jack up the car safely, and that is the safe jacking points for the car. I've fitted a 3-inch downpipe exhaust and sports cat, so I've got the old one obviously removed from the old pipe. Underneath the car you will see a plastic holder like this here, which sits here on the car, which holds the connection for the Lambda sensor. The Lambda sensor obviously screws in here, and there's wee clips just here and here for the wire, the access wire to clip into, and it plugs in to here, as I say, and it just protects it from the elements. Sorry, just got on. I've opted to use the 22mm spanner just because it's easier. And hand tight will be enough. Okay, so if you say clip it in, then we clips, just keeps it off, and it is it's the 4 plug one from underneath for the post cat. As you can see, pretty hard to do it with one hand. Cornhole inside it. So just push that in until it clicks, just like that. Okay, and so that's the sensor in that wee pocket. It just slides in the wee sleeve, okay, and just wee 10mm sockets there. Just tighten them up, make sure the wires go into the wee slots on the other side, and tighten them up, and that's you done. If this video was helpful, give it a like. Thanks very much.